Hello guys, welcome on channel from Zero to Millionaire. My name is Krzysztof and today we will speak about typing jobs. I prepared a couple of web page and company who is owner of this web page who pay you for transcription. Before we start, I want to remind you to subscribe my channel to not miss any content what I put in this channel. First web page is Transcript and directly name is Gotranscript.com. It's company who have a service to transcribe, and here we can go and grab the job in this company. If you push this button, watch now is information about how it's working, and here is information how you pay. They pay you 16 cents per video minutes, and you can monthly average earnings is around $150. For person from top, they can earn monthly around $1,215. It's a very nice salary if you're making this online remotely. What do you need to do to join to this company? You need push button apply now, select language, so you see English, Arabic, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Spanish. I push English, and you need to create account on this page. When you create account, you can join to this team and show your skills, your transcribe skills, and starting earn money on transcribe with this company. Next web page, what I prepared is Verbalink, and if you want to go to this web page, it's verbalink.io, and this company work the same like previous. They making transcribe and translation for videos and other service. You can read how is company working in this section. And if you want to join to this company, you need simply go select contact and section employment. Here you'll find information about employment, where to write emails and show your skills. And if you send, they can contact with you. And question is if you can earn with this company. Yes, this is one of the opinion from internet. They pay around 85 cents per audio minute transcribed, and this means you can earn $51 per hour for every video hours. So I think this is good price for 1 hour of work. Next page is Babbletype. If you want to go to this page, it's babbletype.com, and this is very similar web page what previous. They making the same, but like you know, good to have more sources of place where you can earn. So their company, like you see, they 10 million minutes transcribe, and they on the market 20 years. So it's good information. If you want to apply to the job in this company, you go to footer section, and here is apply for work. Here is information what person they searching. So please, before you start apply for this company, read this. And here is video, and in this video you can find all information how this company work and what person they search to work with them. If you look in internet and search information about Babbletype and how many earning you can get, you can see they pay average out about $10 to $15 a clock hours. And if you are Q&A editor position, you can get $15. And next service is Transcribeme. It's like previous company, the same offer. They make transcription, translation, and data annotation. So you can focus on transcription, on translations. It doesn't matter. In all cases, will be transcriptions. And if you want to join to this company, you can push this button join as transcription. But before we go there, we can look on footer, and here is brands what they cooperated. So like you see, there are big name of Oracle, Facebook, Cisco. So this is Deloitte. So this is a big company who cooperate with this company. So I assume they have a lot of work to this company. So we back to information how to join. So we need push this button, and here is information about this company, how it's work, how it's recommendation, how it's all working. So you can read this all content. And like you see, here's information about salary. So it's 15 to 22 per audio hours. So monthly earnings is around 2,200 for monthly earnings. So you can simply push this button join. So you need simply supplement this form and create your profile and create account. After this, you get information from Transcribe team. Are they want to work with you or not? Next company is called Appen, Appen.com, and they have the same, and they making the same what the previous companies. And so here is service. They have a lot of kind of services, and you can simply work with for this company. If you want to join to them, you can go to the section about, to the section careers, and if you see here is kind of a job what you can make. Writers, language jobs, micro tasks, corporate jobs. In our case, it will be language jobs. It's like you say, flexibly work in a transcription and translation and linguistics. So you can push button apply. Here's information about linguist work, what qualification you need to have, and what other language jobs they have. And here is button to apply to this work. So if you're interested, push button and join to Appen team. So if you look in comments in internet, you'll see they have approximately $9 per hour for a researcher and up to $13 for a person who work on data collector. So it depends what job you get from this company. It depends what you pay out. It depends what salary you get. Next web page is 1888typeup.com. This is company who give you opportunity to earn from transcription. Here's some video you can play and watch this information. And here is jobs what they want. You need to read very good this because this is a little different company. They have higher requirements about the person who will be transcriber. And if you look below, here's information about transcription pay rate. So they paying very nice. Our transcriptionals make 13 to 180 per hour. So it's $1 to $2 per audio minutes. So it's a very high rate if you look in previous company. So they pay very nice. And if you see, they have entrance exam. So you need to pay for this exam $59. So you need to be sure about your skills to join to this team. And of course, they have separated offer for person from North America and international applications. So if you, for example, want to join to them, you need select what kind of job you will be making, because they they want to a native American person to job for American, and they have a job for international. So from international, like, they have another jobs. And here is information what I spoke before. We do not accept from non-US applications. If you are outside the United States of America, you may transcribe for all non-US clients. We have many clients outside of the United States, so getting work is not a problem if your quality is good. If PayPal is not available in your country, we can pay you via Swift, Payoneer, or Western Union. So they have opportunity, if you don't have PayPal, pay you in another methods. Last example what I prepared for today is a web page called Fiverr. It's a web page where freelance can offer jobs, and you can simply type transcribe video or audio or music, but in this example it will be video. And like you see, here is a lot of offer from a private person or for a company who offered the transcription. So, for example, this man writing, I will transcribe 16 minutes audio or video transcription in 48 hours, and they starting price is 14 euro. Here is, I will quickly and accurately transcribe audio and video files, is 940. I will accurately transcribe any video or video quickly, 470. And a lot of offers. So you can make the same. You can create on Fiverr your account and create your offer. So you can simply put information. You will be translate, or will be transcript video or music or something else, and you earn money when somebody will be searching person like you. One pro tip for me, like you see here, is timelapse is not good for my opinion. This looking better. If you want making something like this, I show you in previous video how to make in my favorite software tools to making online graphics. It's called Canva. So you can simply go here, create your thumbnails, and put inside your offers will be better look like this than like this. If you want check your typing skills, I found in internet one web page where you can start making, where you can make a simply fast test. It's typingtest.com. And when you go here, you can start typing tests. You can set 1 minute to 5 minutes and text, sentences, or words. So you simply push button start typing. Here is some text. You need writing text. It's the time going down, and here is speed and how mistakes. And after this 1 minute, you get your results. Of course, if you want upgrade your skills, you can go to a popular webpage called Udemy. Here you can put transcript. Or transcription will be better keywords. And like you see, it's my Polish currency. But this is a paid section of courses. You can go to this course and buy now and order. Here's information what is inside this. But of course you can select free courses. If you go all filters, and here is free section, so you can apply this filter. You see couple of courses for free, so you can simply start off these courses, learn what they offer you, and after this courses start working for this company what I show in this video. I hope you liked this video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel to not miss any content what I put in future. And if you liked this video, please let some thumbs up and see you in the next videos.